Today we have the 2021 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just over 64,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access valet mode, Apple and Android CarPlay, 4Pass Connect, navigation, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button just below, we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: normal, eco and sport.